Hello there guys, so today I will be opening the Fitbit Charge 4. I went ahead and bought it because my Fitbit Charge 2 just recently died on me. It's still like counting my steps and stuff, but the screen is very distorted. So I'm not sure what happened. I just woke up one day and it wasn't working, so I went ahead and just bought myself the Charge 4. So yeah, getting rid of this one. Throwing it away because it's no longer holding charge either. It's lasted me 3 years though, so it's done its job. But it's time to open a new one. I'm very excited about this one because apparently it's like waterproof. The Charge 2 is not waterproof. And there's a bunch of other things that the Charge 4 can do that this one can't. So I'm getting an upgrade and I'm super excited about that. So let's go ahead and open it up. I will video myself setting it up on my phone as well, so you guys can kind of see the process. Okay. Let's see. There we go. Okay. So the Fitbit Charge 4. That's what it looks like. It looks pretty much the same, like on the outside as the Charge 2. Looks like it has a fancier side button though. And different setup. You can probably change that though, so let's take a look at it. Let's see, how do I open this? Alright, looks like we open it up here. Go ahead and cut that. Ooh, fancy. Fancy looking. Okay, so we've got a little welcome to the family card that we don't need because I already am a part of the Fitbit family. Nice gesture though. Alright, we've got the charging cable that looks a little different than the Charge 2's cable. That's probably because of the different side button. Okay, so this just popped out on its own. So this is the Charge 4. I'm gonna undo this, reveal it. Oh, it's so pretty. Nice. Wow. So it's probably dead. Let's see, how do you... Oh, you can't... There is no button. That's like a... I don't know what that is. Like a sensor, maybe? That's what it looks like. But, yeah, let's go ahead and plug this in and get it charging. Alright, this is actually my camera charger as well. Or the little plug-in is the camera charger thing. Pardon the bad lighting. Okay. So, in order to plug it in, we've got to... It would probably work best if we undid this. Yeah. And then we have to match this part here. This part with the sensor. So the sensor is on this side. So go ahead and clip it. And then it just vibrated. So there we go. Oh, look at that. We got a little smiley face. That's cute. Gonna do anything else? Let's see if it does anything else. Okay, so I'll get my phone. I'll get my phone, we'll start this process. Okay, so I got the Fitbit app already. That's how many steps I've done today. Ugh, I've been lazy today. Okay, so in order to add a new Fitbit, you gotta click your profile, and then I've got my Fitbit Charge here too. You have to set up a new device. Okay, so this device is a Charge 4, so we'll click Charge 4, set up. Okay, I'll accept that. Okay. Okay, so we already plugged it in. It's searching for it. Now this may or may not work because it's still charging. Okay, it did work. I am so sorry for the bad lighting, guys. Okay, so 1757 is the number, so we'll punch that in. Okay, this just buzzed, and then it has the check mark. Okay. No. It's okay. Awesome. Wake up the best. Oh, cool. The biggest reason why I bought another Fitbit so quickly was because I work at Chick-fil-A, and there's a lot of really early mornings that I have to, early shifts I have to go work. And the silent alarms are very, very important to me because I can't actually listen to regular alarms because I charge my implants at night. So I can't hear alarms. So the silent alarms are perfect. So that's why I went ahead and bought another one so quickly. So the Smart Wake, that's interesting. And then there's a GPS in there, built-in GPS, and then the display settings. Okay. Where your device? Okay. Wow, it shows a lot more than the Charge 2 did. And it slides up. Cool. Takes you back to the previous screen or to the clock face. Let's see. Wake up. Okay, it's not waking up. Okay. No way, it shows full texts. If any of you guys have the Charge 2, you know that, like, it'll show when you get a text, but it won't show the whole text. It, like, only shows a certain amount of words. And then it just kind of stops after it shows a certain amount of words and shows, like, 3 dots. So you have to actually look at your phone to see the whole text message. So that's really nice. Oh, awesome. Okay. That's really helpful. Wow, you can look at the weather on it. You definitely can't do that with it too. Okay. Done. I just bought the Fitbit. I'm not going to buy premium. Okay, so I'll have to enable that because I did not previously. So I'm going to go ahead and forget this one because it's just messed up. Okay, so my dashboard. Oh, that's new. Stress management. Cool. I agree. Oh, I have to scroll. Okay. Wow, that's interesting. Oh. Okay. Actually, we'll not do that right now. I was just curious. Ah, man, I have to go all the way back. Okay. I slept very well. Oh, what's this? Wow. Okay, so to see a little bit more about what the Charge 4 can do, or like how to set up the display and stuff, you just click on that. I thought I just did this, but this is actually my dominant hand that I put it on because it's just easier to flip up. Let's see. It's interesting. Done. Huh. I'm not exactly sure how to do this. Apps. This is something that the Fitbit Charge 2 definitely couldn't do. That's incredible. Alarms. Agenda. No, you can like put calendar stuff on here. What? That's incredible. Okay, so I'm gonna see if I can figure out how to change the looks or see what my selections are. Okay, all clocks. Oh, there we go. I was just looking in the wrong place. I wonder if there's a way you can see. Oh, that's what I had on my old one, I think. I would like to see my steps on the first page. Oh, okay, so I like to see the steps, so let's see. Oh, I kind of like that. That's kind of cool too. We'll do this one. Okay, it's loading, so as soon as it's done loading, it should... Unable to connect to the device. It says that it worked. Nice. I'm excited to start wearing this. Nice. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the description to buy a new Fitbit Charge 4 if you're interested in getting it. There's a lot more that it offers in the Charge 2. I'm not sure about the Charge 3 because I did not have a Charge 3. I had a Charge 2. So, yeah, if you guys are interested, take a look at the link in the description. And I will also put a few of the features that the Charge 4 has in the description that the Charge 2 does not, so that you guys can do a little comparison. But I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.